Kwame Bafo Abronye DC na yene no ebetwetwe nkomo na yene enu emfa nkomo insha so ya Blue Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Chairman mwache
me Joshua mene amete sai
mboko na imame samra samba akoso na nsan agya ohia TV a waye ya agya wode nsem ba na wo party force as chairman of the regional chairman of the party say obia frabera for hopeful for no dia de watu ni wani asibinum so a ano odene enkebe ya ka asem no hwaso na ka nya boko mokọ conference na mokọ na mkoto aba na de obawini no awini no mni ade na ututu atuom dodo minim sa obia tufu sa na obia ka bia kire sa
ayere menyanti ye de na mom ye nyina ye tiasi na ye kwaye tetene ye nananom kọ safia wa unim ekwa na mo faso do wo bra wa betima dokase ne wado babi abete se wusire bia pie kumo bia na kese bibi yere ewo asem bi koso obia nya na bin so kai afarant bia obia won bia na kwa me koma ye bia nomination tum na wo me ameno kase wonim sa obi contesting
wo ba contesting
me contesting fa bera no me contesting anti na so ye potential afara me contesting
Chama Abronye for president
me Chama Abronye for na sa o ma tu obuti no sa mo pa me so me more than qualified ana wonim sa say certificate ni ekodidia me won kantanema
sa
I certificate in Kwandi ameno me won kantanema any Ghana tertiary education for be claim say withdraw ne bia any withdraw ne bia
any nsema nkrofo aka to so wa mo se wo kura law wo se wo ye wanya FFFFFF minya
second class upper in law.
Wow.
Yes, my masters in Legon. Me grade the amanya the I think a B manus. My masters in law will Legon. You can find out the records will Legon.
Wow. A very fine.
Where they do Legon America you. Mr. Mania B manus. Make a man and my records will Legon. My masters in law.
Wow.
Yes. My masters in petroleum. Coventry. The Mania a C plus. The Mania Coventry University. Yes, Mania. Yes, you brought me masters petroleum, finance and economics, Coventry. Yes, Mania no. What do a Mania no? Minya C plus.
Wow.
Yes.
And Uncle sorry, and now Abronye no course.
Obi na efo oyeda onye second class apa.
There be.
No, nti ade no for 3 year no. Akwa bi wo me mo ne dile wo se ko kasa ne ge ho. Enu nti nya sa ka law no kam nya first class.
Oye buoni ana Ghana na o kan na se eyi.
Me ka Ghana ka law na ne nti amanya first class akwa bi se ma ko kasa ne ge ho nti sa ne subject no.
Ede na akọ kasa ne ge unko suna dia na
akọ ya wunim se sunya suba na wo mitim anya sa ka me ki first class ba fie ndu kwa wa ana dia wo to social media ka wa wo so obinya for no certificate ru ni bi ba no kwa o me ka to sa Abronye nya second class apa anti mo ki ka no mo nko ba ni atia me se no ye dinu MPP internal elections no eniama koso ye wiye no eniama na koso no mu city aye amanfo kan sembi to fabera fo ne binum so a MPP amanyoko no ye din ma ne koso this time around me di ato me ho so say wo kwa wa ba na mom sa ba kwa gira wa ditro and obi frame $800 million. Why? Or nine Ghana, you know, you can call the sample 1 billion. Until you that one particular person who $800 million. I said, Danum, I am saying you can't. Young cat with your musem, with your Mukassam from Mupat in any matter. You can't say, Obi, and I may say, the one in your back of one Ebema. And to say something, let me throw, if you dare me, I will do this. if you tell me you na ya kiasim me one thing people don't know ni say me no read about me to rebase
but when go for so show
I'm say me to rebase media rebase no me no want to tell you di agro any ye me classmate for you na don't want to know mo no cigarette da ma no read that. Yes, obisa me mate for na ebinom ye soldiers ni police a omo tie o na no pai omo hi me ma hi bi omo twi di fra banku ye ko banku di a me se sa do bi anto ne de
omo twi di fra banku
o say ya kwa omo twi makona na omo twi ade ne na ba no ade ya kwa ko di dia bo no omo yi politics kitwa bi afro mo botom anti makona je ne ye ready na omo twi omo de ba me se sa do bi anto ne de so bi akitansika
saru batime di banku be 1000
Sao batime di ntin nkofo no mo kwatena base wa wo mo kwaso atime na tra wi base menin se da mo sibia me no mo na nyin ye gusonam wo mo de ba ko security service da bia we can see sia obebo but omo na nim say ba bia ye duru no ye staff ye be sin na no me manumbi na mo ade bia edini bia wo mo ye bia me ni timi ye bi ten wo mo nti omo awu ta kwa no nye mresa nti so big kid no say am pini yo no ne dia no ni no pa no be ka o be say ku no bia ntimi nya na ria na sa ye mo binim no
ba ye kan
dia ya kom no ya betum stop one time
ba ye kan aye aboy chama ye kan ye obinim wo nso a wo mde wo sika aboa etidu ba bi na se nipa no so wo ye na ayepemu a anase wo mu chinchim ne nsa eti wono no emma ne bumfu ma ne nka boa waboa party no kwan yo fa afo ne asante region
wo ka so ma boa party ni nyina no mo nka ne party na obuwa mo dia boa party mo nka ne mo so nya free party no ne yantitin free sense sanka da bia mo tino radio so ana boa party no ni wanya free MPP mo fabra ne yampa katana kanta no titin free ni yanga sense sanka MPP baba be wo ba di MPP ka wo mo ka so ma boa party no anti afa na duru ya so tintina yamfa to mi ma mo wo mrako mo promo pra do mo nya fa na kansam afai MPP no mo mi sa mo say yes wo se wa boa MPP mo wa so no adwuma wanya from over the years no fa ni na bra na mo wa wo so dia boa MPP ya nse na kata da accountant for value ye be wi akire ka wo mba di MPP o muntimi ntua mana na ka tira e ka wo mba di MPP no anga de so mo to mo properties de tika because when your MPP so fast wo and I said that be awusara na wo dan MPP ka no MPP no ka wo na usika MPP sika wo and I ka fa no na ye kwa elections na so ye participant ya and kase me nyantino me kwa kasem sebe ya your opponent benya message at the end of the day ye ni munsama nkofo kan ye that presidential primaries na se se party meeting original etu one na more esia no kwan na yantino anye faade no at the end of the day information centers you radio station na eno na omode aye voice recordings and I'm all lessons, any person see communication team member or can't say any panancasa or can't say any panacy say nicely, any panasa ya comfort, and now no can make kind of feed so and I'm a what take it from me. Say, and this is the day our more yen no. I could come back when you will be prison. I'm people appointee, be prison under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because I'm people in the University. We are Makosem. And if you ever power 2009, what I catch Ghana for say, one better see MPP in phone to become Magiska. At the end of the day, no, now and this is two cases to a court. Or we are almost killing the cat. So many ways of killing the cat and the buy. Because MPP 1.4 million would just say a more Makonia. Or you ready to on better mine. And to so be corruption, and then one case in one. na you know almost case no more na you know because evidence in you then some of the platform so kaya way no and never evidence no Ghana for pay 7 months in here obi 7 months ago now the political platform said ruling government in Crawford ya Crawford now but some so when you to me now we can find evidence in the Ghana for there no one said media communicators in ko NDC communicators in ko radio so o mo se munya abotre yegu so munya abotre me so mo ntimi ntia kokko bantum because MPP ya ba so man no ya me so ye yafunu enti obi a owo ma obeye na tisa de patapa be fam wa MPP ya so ya patapa fo ye kwa no boko me mental obi a wo ye o gentle campaign a o nya TV meka wasem ana bo we are gantry campaign on your TV Makawa some fans we are party niba. Now ukwa campaign ukwa kika nsam akwa kika tribal comment ethnicity where you say there on your TV baba the you are no.
But you can sound so what exercise also candidate as chairman.
Me ana.
Aye.
Candidate serve no candidate say.
What was you about me?
Oh, not about the wouldn't say about me aye. Ba ya baumia na baumia be kwaso ya baumia antino aye akonya na atono mo so ba panyini ko bi ma e so ka kire o ba ka kire fa na ba panyini ko fo bi ba oni rat o be bi sa ka akwati no anampa akonya no ye so ba panyini ko fo bi ma o ba panyini ko akofo bi ma o sare na odi ni pasumati na eba ati akonya na to bi ama krenti wonsu kwata onkofo na mo support
so we chairman
bonye amekata bonye wo ba omiyo na mo wonsu kwata onkofo na mo so na support o kaya me ye sika na me pedi me bi a matter of principle no elections no no as far as the bona wo mo fe o abonye ye be ye wa doye you may say, meaning the only regular time I'm participating in that exercise. Okay. My next campaign, I'm aspirant to be a 2023, you know.
Why you campaign?
I mean, that time, I think I'm in the objective of place, I don't know what. But, and my son over the years, I didn't say, Abonye bibia awoye no enye sika e na ode ye onye ne bibia on a matter of principle
na 2023 where you know be achi ene ade na what exercise
2023 dia me take size na do dia no me kare na size friend o ne ba asobo ne ba anti 2023 na man take size no say dia I take size
how do you
na take no I mean kase yanko for no campaign no mun kwa ataka obia wa also wa president you know on your campaign and ko di obi azen kwa ataka obi kwa kasa wa bo MPP aboa wo chen ye wo ka no anti ne wanya firi MPP mo no wo tia delegate for na ka kire mo and kasa wo aboka wa MPP mo and kasa me dia wo ka ya ba ba challenge do say when you say come out okay ba ka sa me bia no onya ma di so be na response free me ho
I see
na bo MPP ni dia o mo fan tun chan o fan kwa to bo tam ni en party abia no because wa ba ka say MPP na o kwa me koma ticket here e me be wa mo MPP yes that's the friends of Nana do those and what you know atamna tan o dem kind
Baby, I'm crying.
No, you're not starting, you know. What I want people to be. You're my own first point of it. I'm a bit of question. What will be answer me?
I would a young to us.
I am possible document here.
Some of the almost some journalist.
Oh, we're journalists. We have to say journalists for the person. What I know about being you know. No, I was also tell me that you so boy. Another boy. Maybe I'm in coming in that another don't quite offer now can hobby. Oh boy, but I akyire ana aka sɛ wo concentrate on central adwuma wo mpɛ obi bɛka sɛ wɔyi w'anim dodo ana ameboa wo ka yɛ sɛ obi ate waseɛ ɛnɛ andisi ba wo mana kwanya no aka na sɛm ampiti ba no mana kwanya no aka na sɛm nyɛ saa na tie but emira bi atwam no so wayɛ bi aboa anti wo munya sɛ ana maboa ampiti obi asara maboa ampiti ni wo so anya fi ampiti mo no fa bɛto gya ni yɛ kasa yɛ ma nkrɔfo a ɔdete yɛ ma ɔdete ka ɔdete ni obi anya fi ampiti mu a ansa kasa nipa korɔ no ɛsɛ sɛ ampiti ni bi asara no pa ne wɔn yɛ kɔgye sika firi sansa ni wɔn yɛ wɔ ampiti mu no ɛsɛ sɛ ampiti ni bi a ɔso kɔm bia no ebi sasa nipa korɔ yes yɛ wɔn saa bia ampiti ni bi a ɔso kɔm bia no ne nso mɛtena kan plane sɛ ɔmo kasa yaboa ampiti ho ka no ni ɔmo anya wɔ ampiti ho no ampiti ni bi a ne wɔn ne ɔwɔ ahokyerɛm bia no ɛsɛ ɔtumi bi sasa nipa korɔ no because ɛsɛ wonya ayɛ no wode bɛboa party fo wɔmfa mmoa ana ade akɔgu danum ana sɛ wo na awɔ sika sɛsɛn wokɔ Nigeria yɛde contract akɛseɛ no ma partyfoɔ no a ne yɛde akɔhwɛ partyfoɔ no deɛ nti atumi bu naano ɔtumi wie ne abanoma no yɛ obiara surprise because partyfoɔ APCfoɔ no nkasa wɔma yɛ din ana nnwuma akɛseɛ no nyinaa yɛde ma contractors ne businessmanfoɔ no a wɔn bia wɔkɔhwɛ partyfoɔ no nti Tinubu APC wɔn wie ne aba no ma wiase nyinaa te shock wokɔ Kenya vice president a ɔkɔntɛse no ɔwie ne aba no ama obiara te shock because party businessmen foɔ no nyɛ sika wɔn kɔkɔhwɛ party ma no nti partyfoɔ nkasa baroba Ghana in MPP a businessman nyɛ sika wie a nea ɔno no a campaign ni to boy kakra ani bento a ɔtɔ campaign car no ɔde bento no bɛdan MPP kafa na wɔn nyɛ wɔnya deɛ ɔnka wasɛm ɔtasi ɛna yɛ ka wasɛm ɛna yɛ no kasa NDC na ba ɔno nya no ɔmo ba no kɔ forestry commission NDC fo ɔmo pɛ concession ɛwɔ forestry commission a wɔn aboa wɔn nyɛ businessmen a wɔn aboa NDC mo ɔmo aba a wɔn pɛ concession no wokɔ forestry commission wɔn bɛka kyerɛ sɛ concession ni hɔ nso wɔn awɔ nipa baako our forestry committee were 117 concessions the current year the amount for.
Any allegation, what Aruma? And I will
let me send you to CI. Let me send you to CI. Let me send you what happened.
First Sunday, sending me here.
Men and women. And the regular chairman for most concession. What was he will never catch yourself? Concession you are. And so, company back, only only 5 workers. Yamano, 117 concessions. The current chief executive, maybe not make do to see.
What is sending me? I'm making some investigation. Mess out from here, the home come up. Mate, in a nutshell, no, Sana, what kind of crack, oh, last year, maybe I think you have Bob, Namia Doma Saturday, a conference. Constituency executive for you now, Mutio, or Fidicati. Party na boy on national executive ya boy home ya boy who said to Madini Baswo. Na constituency executive na binom say ye do mu take decision ye fan say woman ma ye lusu ye nti woman sem fata say party ni ye bibia ye do am ka ho. Ye so national executive ya see constituency executive polling station executive na electoral area coordinators we and the man MPP we need 2016 woman ma MPP we need 2020 until next obi gina ba bi say ye do am take decision nye ya ye no mo nya adwene until woman nyina amra ni ye conference ni fefe ye constitutional amendment ni wie so a aye national council ya take a decision say nyame ya adoma ye fa bera na ye fese yi nintem ye yi nintem na wanya enough farm dia ye campaign wanya enough farm dia ye engagement e bia na kwa nkoma wa adwentire bi e mre bom ni se yi fa bera nintem
time bia Kwame Nkrumah benya trabera mana twetwe ane na twetwe nkomo no obenya akwanya aye den aba enti science se no so wo ha ya boa no egu wo no ma after conference is no wo modality se be ba bonten ni ye di no so step no so aba enti constituency executive a omutie ba be wa fidie ni kwa amanfo kafe nsem pata se be mo mo kwanya kwa akoto 31st ya ba tanso mo na ma ye lusu ye no ye de ye so mo tafata tanso mo tenure of office gusu wo police station executive so mo to mo nsem pata se wo mo kwato 31st January aba no ye de ye so mo tafata tanso mo tenure of office enya ma wi ye enti wo mo nyina no wo mo tenure of office no eyi adwuma 31st January 2026 no wo mo ana enkotina mo no mo ndi sade ema amanyoku no no mo ye bia ma party ni da enyema ye lusu na party wa beka say constituency executive na issue ye police station executive na ma lusu never national council ewo ade mo mo nyina anti ahobo guso a nyame ya adoma conference no ababa so a eye solely for constitutional amendment
mate na yo kan ejiro na emsire
na sa o ni sa dia wo ni wodi for anti no o ba bia me no trase ye na dia no ko pe bia no wanya bia o se akwa na chiri no pa makwa ko didina da dia no nya me produce ni pa o produce adia na am friend say lion ona o de me fasoro mani ni ho na me ni introduce ti awa wo ko adon ko wanya bia fe o makwa ko didina e ma
uri eye
ama go friend me na me nia no le memu ayi taki ayero o do ma mbo cigarette no mo pe bi no ma nya bia no mo minu ma ye do kodo anti akino timifiru
mate na mami hwe licensure exams wo so wo ho asem bika na yemfa no enhye
yemfa no start na ka me start with Lancesia ne Dumso Levy. Allowance he wants them. Yes,
start to meet you.
Na near Dikai. Yeah, my mom phone in Atia. Yes, I'm a said there. One million. Dear be a communist inferior status to Biano. Opianimo. Lancesia Examsia, yeah, can one semino. About 2013. And yet, previous government no ne kofa baaye enye MPP abai ne kofa Lancesia exams baaye 2013 e bra director general bi aye frɛ no the safe now our Ghana Education Service ono ene launches up ayi policy no a friend central for man ne ba telegraphic front page say there a teacher for nyina e ba betre exams ya the lances that the oko UK wo mo ye no oko America wo mo ye no winni lances ya wontimin practice wontimin trade se teacher ni and come me no ya agina wona me be ya agina se watu kwan bebre akọ aman adudodo na so wona me be ya agina se osusu binum wo ha ese se wo to wum to ese se ye wuro in as a professional person
yes
a bit education say wokɔ bi te sɛ ɔman kɛseɛ te sɛ UK sɛ wone lances a wontumi nkyerɛ adeɛ ɛwɔ hɔ nti sɛ aban no de aba na sɛ akyire no aban no fii sɛ ɛho ɛnhia no sɛ oyi afiri hɔ a obia ne ni asɛm na mmom neɛ yɛka kyerɛ no ne sɛ yɛka kyerɛ aban no sɛ nyɛ no lances no a woyi afiri hɔ na ɛyɛ issue teacher ni na okwa trade na wayi ni lances ya free honom no da ben na obetua meka because wo bekaya e bra ye ba aban mu no na do dan kwa akofo ado aban e be inherit teacher fi ayentu omoka no omododo ye 126,000 no man ye aduma mfie 9 aban we antu aban ye tiswe that time antu omoka One general secretary then never know David Ofori. One lady memo at the memo at the command and Danko Akufo-Addo, the former president. And now our friend, younger Matthew Poku Pempe, wow me up and at the tone and him say, Niaba near teacher for 126,000 and I tried the previous government, Yentia or Moka. Yentime mo nkoye adwuma yentua mo kakra konkonkon akase emfa odwuma ni na katua nyere enni nti asese pesika ni de mo ma yewura napo as education minister make sure say 126,000 teachers o mo kira dia ene abanye otiswe no wo so sa mere no so ontua no ye tua ni nyina efiri honom ene abanwe aba ye wo teachers ya Wamachira dear, Amana Wamako Ghana Education Ministry Honum no. Yet the police for the first time in whom be the minister fire was a police for the blue chroma. Wamabati me who yano, the young shame. Echo power teacher for our most or minor, and Pamo Mufri what say, woman right to say one baba, ababa beside a pine say, that brain the able to your mocha. Your Pamo Sanquano. And Quaketua, our Maquaco Hind Dine, Abobosia Hind Dine Team, Nayan Tio Moka 7 months in your Pamo Mufio, and all the a bino policy. Say a bino betina barbon about the cafe. By August in the year, you bet your teacher for now Mukogu, Womania Duma Bosumi Dunino, and ya bino you say betua Moka August. Now from near by say. Ye be yi Lancashire Ejam tia free honum na amanfo abote say ya de na mom your friend outside gentility home cry ana okoya kura fi wa side to suku no your friend take home cover home ya your course side to ewo abronya ho no ade we a omo ye no your friend take home cover home tikani na wo bona ba se on lances ya exam ti biem no so omo se ba ne ya no bia omo di nanim no akwa kira de abosumi tunie fiewura fo twomo wo mo ni sika obeto electricity ade atnamu na wasore mpo akwa na obefa so ato na tade aye problem enti no so abana oyi lances ya exam ti afiri onom no atitafo na omo kogu Ministry of Education yadi police for mabati akasi ye nimba bi o mo firi kwa pa mo no tabe na ban ni tu o mo ka
na mami mu say sabra no a mu fira ban mu no sa teacher for na no mo ti sa no mama mo financial clearance
me da say financial clearance na no on be issue statement so mo hu ye no ya publicity a teacher for na nkasa publicity financial clearance wo ba metric yi o mo koye or control and say nyina the former minister the statement was issue of parliament letter of financial clearance ni nyina wo in fact so kwakwa handing over notes honorable aduchum edema abandon the transitional team or mujitu mu a one person say a teacher for any nurses for abandon for one woman in financial clearance. In fact, handing over no swa. Honorable Amin Anka, Edema, Honorable Atofortia, Wakatio almost say, Womusika, are you ready at the honum? And yet a fena by Info be Baba Paco Musico, Womusika, your bagatti, Sikani, and your handing over Edema, Honorable Atofortin, the current finance minister, and I make that see. Say, Abino, I to my part, and the honorable Aminantasi. Haruna Drusu Suda, a dutum numinasi, a corner of my processes, so never pass a teacher for no. And to be seen there, you see a religious cano at the moment a year. And to take a near or one to see, all Tradia, on car, and Compania, only as a country and a Danica. On India, all by that, I can all complain as I'm the money and as you're getting home. Because when you want to all tell your mother, now some ranty my boy can try and say, oh, man, fancy, I'm sure see a good classroom. And the Abana said, oh, try a car, you name me, I have a woo. me no ka se kwame wo de nyame adomode mo enye nne na asa afie enti sa wo ba e ko suku papa bi wo ba bi a wo si mu nye nne wa na me bo a wo si mu nye nne but obi so wo I can tell you say I guess me sa to ya e wo abronye bi na obere obeko enti sa nipa ne ba ani da so ne teacher ni na obetire na de no watiti ni ye say be ya akwa na bra bon say this is the case your teacher ni me threaten say samo mo ntia ye kadia ye nim kwana ye de mo bere e ba fa so many ways of killing the cat enti e de ne besi ni e besi ni say 1 + 1 or say 5 so teacher ni wan tia me ka I'm a teacher, no, I'm live comfortable. That be a teacher, me ko classroom, or the abufon echo, the munan echo, teacher, me do classroom, or better to say 1 + 1, 5. I can hear to see how me say. I think a 4 year or more demand or more salary. Pay them. Now, where do I want to go to cover up the doomsday love now, taking effect in next. Announcement no me ye na nra say ai atita for lunch sia exams no wo mo no anyame ya doma August yati but omo di be bom sa be ya e no so be ba ya topic na ai do so level 1 Ghana series na me Ghana ni bi o su ka o be to patro e be gumbia no e be ye say media space no be ka ye ka teacher for the ni ye ka we ta be ya do so level 1 sam na ba ye be bisa questions no anti media attention but omo bo ye be bisa questions me no ka se see no and next idea we are taking effect no Dr. Safik Sulemana or claim a petroleum contract our university na odisa otie otiwa o kama sadie we kwaso no ma bisa no kwaso si bebre ontime me yia no ni edi kaiminia wo de wo packing kan pa don ko fa PUIC statement o mo de ba April 2025 wa e bra o mo na announce 14.75% on tariff increment water and electricity no wo mo kan wo mo say Ghana for yen 14.75% no the entire increment ni say pa wo mo nya sika en konkoto fuel en fan power yen plant no and this 14.75% na ye tua ni April a taking effect in May no na fuel supply e wom for our plant no much take wom say yen tia say be ya edum so emma aso ko fa me no ka se so ko fa statement na me be say Dr. Safik Sulemana on so many platforms say so far March window so the March window and have a assessment there for tariff increment there March no dey ya March no na exchange rate $1 no $1 na your 12.45 Ghana cedis. But PUIC near buy make a say $1 and your 15.33 March. And our statement you know of PUIC statement now mo de ba April na $1 our so March window no what the Ghana for 15.33 a brand new 12.45 and maybe some say exchange rate we mo for free and no side increment no kwa no abano ya Ghana for some faso 360 pesos free money no mo di bu Ghana for faso the thing that Dr. Safik entimi mama kan wantem ya that's all ya makwa mende extra atina aba be ka tire ye say ye 1 Ghana cedis bia obia obeto patro bia no obanya mo banya 1 Ghana cedis fra nya ta dum so baba
na me ba ayi say wo say 1 liter na one akogya filling station or to 1 liter obi ato 1 gallon
yes and two tire calculate at the end of the day no living in our kwakotua na me boa
ti me de mechanic come out no mo nyanse bia gallon no say na wo bia
Me ya o kwati no me no ya adwene pa. Ana me boa.
Me too.
Me no ya adwene. E do fata ka kwesi ni na na ta o fata you letter no dated April 2025 wa. Ya de kana tia for full supply ya de ba ma the various country no ma ya nyankania. Enti sa wan ga na masana kwa fa aba no efirifa hi. Ebiem o masana ko World Bank akwa di $360 million ya Ghana for na ebetua ka. Afa abosia no ewo say the yefe distribution losses say enkania no ye generating wie me say they call from the generation point to the transformer to the distribution center onom na losses na ebe no abaya kwa di ho bosia $360 million anya parliamentary approval. Na distributing losses so no. Tako fa 14th April 2025 lekana. PUIC charge Ghana for distribution losses so yetia hoka. That was 14.75% nim. And tia Ghana for tia hoka no. Eyeda mo fa no ko World Bank ko di $360 million say. And also what the Baba see distribution losses so ho e ka abeda onom no. And also a $360 million no Ghana for number check am ayede e dia momo. And no what some yeka. And ti sadia we na aba no eye lebi na e take effect no. And no ya announcement. Ya abolish fuel allowance for appointees. Appointees fuel allowances nyina no ya twam obi anya akra okroma. 2014 the government under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama announced 10% salary cut of appointees. How can I say Yes, 2014 the government under His Excellency Nana Ababio Otosumienu na by no announced 10% salary cut of all appointees in 2014 to 2016. Then Mr. Omokatire say, woman de kwakosi, appointees be anti 10% salary, and Famrana Bino and the kwakosi system compound. The Health Minister says, the compound and not much in but never be a war. ABACB or my a man pen kwamfu, the CB or Shawaya mobile. Yes, CB or her, but that's never be a musisi. That's a compound be seen there. See, I can't to Kuramudi Sikamato Yano. One former deputy controller, a public account committee, Kokase, appointees in some fight Badi Musica. And this together with full announcement by yes, I appointees full allowance in your year one, now your communist inferior status to say. And never be Kosovo, and clearly never be Ghana for arguing your day. And so, because Mobile be more deputy controller former, Eco public account committee, Kokase, appointees in 10% salary cut. What deal or my deal between 2014 and 2016, and the appointees in Amphascanama. And that's why allowance Yamotumo Flueno. Okay, full allowance flu. Minister of State Olusola Banka, a ministry no na tofu egum. And to one carry.
Chamabonye.
Executive officer. No, what can me say one man full allowance. And to what come? Nipa na to patrol. What you say?
Chamabonye.
And the patrol. No about catch me say. The full allowance what you flow. I honorable Edward Bauer. What to go? Now the catch Ghana for say. Honorable Edward Bauer and the full allowance. What you flow? One on the print coupon. Edward Bauer and the print
coupon.
You say Edward Bauer full allowance when you flow.
The Bajo coupon.
Agencies in the tofu and don't carry. The levy.
Chairman, let's situate it like this. Say what to coupon. Yes, a coupon on in print view. me worry obi wo wa the condition of service no efremu say ye be man fuel allowance na no ye betimi ayi afi ho ena sa condition of service no so no nya aban na de ba ye eye nhihye ye ho dadaada e ho de kan say
yes na okay o because anya aban na sese eye ye wi ebi kura na wo kwajo final letter we or public service commission to say bia wo ye siwa you want to go through the public service commission what you see you see and most of the chief executive officers you know what we acting and this will go through the public service commission interview now pass here and the final letter na beba no na condition of services ni nyina ye dey ewom and the nya buy letter na dubure Africa say e see na say because niente nya omo na ye ne say ministry no bia no aye budget akọ keta for mu nyina ama 2025 budget no e won say appointees ministers and the appointees special assistants everybody budget every ministry bia no anya parliamentary approval and the size kano wo ma woni dodo ne ye fuwa allowance ya budget for 2025 no ade so mo di sikano wo ko for sikano back and the kokoto consolidated fund mu and they did your mood in you because what we release fuwa allowance sika at the all ministries what the call now we are about the year letter catch Ghana for said we are near free one there and we are getting call for money and say all the government institutions you know after 2025 no budget for fuel allowance you know now year 50 million no yama yase agency be said on returning sikano obi anfa me checking fan nkomo yenhu because the person aban ye ne say it is like aban clear ministry or say wo returning sikano will check na Ghana for who say over ministry of health where allowance ye the two ministry na account for the minister no yade 500,000 for the year yade unko MP wo mo budget no fuel allowance wom yade scanning your check ni now over your media announcement the capital doom so levy so dia na dia obi antie ya wa kwa me wo ye penkwase abrantie that say wo ni o
me too
because everyone yeah announcement say no ana me tilayo so yeah announcement so the moment me too kan na say we dey obi anu obedi adi
tilayo who say you too kan
me say you too kan because I feel like I nya na kore.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.